part 3. This is kind of a big one. This is where we get our motor and our transmission, where you put them together, and then we put them in the car.
Yeah.
Don't forget the bevy.
Never, never, never.
We actually have 2 motors here, and they're both K24. So yeah, that's the CRV one. We're not gonna use that anymore. Surprise! We're using a K24A2 out of an 04 TSX. Just try to stay out of camera view if you can. Like, get down.
You rotate and lift your setup. There, right there.
That's in?
That's it.
We'll just start here. Okay. Okay, 2-1. Much lighter than the TSX motor. What? CRV post mount now. Around mount, shimmy it on. Long. The engine on a trolley. Hold on. Yeah. Come on, should I turn that? Switch. All right. Nice and slow. Okay.
Controlled. Okay, watch.
Yeah, it's looking good so far.
It's gonna start touching the harness. Okay, the subframe's touching the harness now.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the motor just a hair this way.
Yeah.
To this side.
The front's good.
Yeah, front's good.
Okay. It's gonna get close to the back, isn't it?
Yeah, it's getting close to the back of the transmission.
Push it forward.
So I just moved it, yeah. I'm gonna come over this way a bit, yeah.
How's the driver's side mount moving?
Come down.
Coming down.
Hold on, wait a sec.
Yeah.
Move it over. Good. Yep.
Coming down.
Yeah.
Line up those bolts.
Yeah.
To that mount.
I want to make sure this clears first.
Oh, it's close.
So the engine's almost in. So I just got to figure out why it's heading back there. I think it's because of the exhaust manifold. We're at the point where the motor's situated, and we're just getting the post mount on this side. That's how it's bolted up, but only with 1 bolt. And the rear bracket we'll put in another day. We'll finish getting these side mounts bolted up. It's really late now. Oh, okay, you're back like that. Yeah. Come up a bit. Yeah, try that. I mean, we could.
No, do everything by hand.
Yeah. Oh, easy. Shit. We got the motor mounted now. Here's the K24A2 mounted in the EG. That is cool. That's so cool. Damn.
Looks good. In part 4, next video, you're going to be seeing us deal with all of the power steering. That means like the pump, the lines, routing them properly, and all that.
This is an outro for this one.